This edition of Mac Voices is sponsored by Rogue Amoeba, makers of Fission, the streamlined audio editor for Mac OS X. Audio editing doesn't have to be a chore. If you need to crop or trim audio, join multiple files, or split one long file into many, Fission will get you set quickly. Plus, Fission works without the quality loss caused by other audio editors, so you can get perfect quality even when editing MP3s and AAC files. And if you need to convert audio, Fission can do that too, working with all popular audio formats. Interested? Get Fission for 20% off with coupon code MacVoices13. Don't delay. Download the free trial from rogueamoeba.com right now, then purchase online. Thanks to Rogue Amoeba for sponsoring this edition of Mac Voices. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner. This is Mac Voices at Macworld iWorld 2013. We're in the MacPaw booth talking to Philip about CleanMyMac 2, a new utility that will help you clean your Mac. Philip, it's great to have you.
Yeah, nice to have you here, Chuck. So we're introducing the second version of legendary CleanMyMac. Initially we released it like 4 years ago and went a long way from just cleaning utility to the complex solution, which will help you not only clean your Mac, but get lots of extra space and keep your Mac organized. So let me just show you a quick demo of how this thing works and how this thing looks.
Go for it.
So once we launch it, for the first time we will see a little short video just to showcase all the modules that we have here. And when it's done, we will have the main screen pop up. So we try to make it as simple as possible, so it's just only one button to hit. We hit the scan. Currently, it's full scan algorithm. It's running to scan every single inch of your Mac to identify all potential files that can be safely cleaned. So once we are done, automatic cleanup suggests you items that can be safely cleaned. Most of the times, it's like 80% of the stuff that can be cleaned from a Mac without harming your data and system stability. It usually includes cache logs, universal binaries, language files, items from your iPhoto library, and the trash. Let me just hit the clean button, clean button, and just a couple of words about our unique feature, iPhoto Cleanup. As you might know, the photo library stores the original files which you have imported and the files which you are actually seeing in your library. So if you shoot with your iPhone, all the photos most of the time will have the duplicates, the one original one and the turned one. So we can simply wipe out the original files without harming your data. So we'll have the same photos, but it will twice as less size. So once the automatic cleanup is done, we can see some more items that can be cleaned. Let's go and take a look at large and old files module. You might have all those files which you have downloaded once and haven't opened for a while, and you, frankly speaking, don't need them, like old archives, DMG files, etc., etc. So we can tweak the settings to find more or less files which can be cleaned, or we can also change the date when it was last opened to find more files. We can select, for example, old iPhoto library and remove it. And it's done. One more interesting feature is Uninstaller. This is a single dashboard with all apps ever installed on your Mac. One dashboard and lots of stuff. For example, if you need to remove some application, you just go and it will remove all application and leftovers. Alternatively, if you like to troubleshoot app, you can just wipe out all preference pay cache and save states for potential troubleshooting. Or we can just remove it completely. And one more feature called Eraser. For example, if we need to delete a large amount of files, we can just grab a file from our desktop and delete it with a single click click and skip in the trash folder. It's usually works much faster than your Find It does because it skips all the steps. So this is pretty much it. CleanMyMac will be available sometime in late February, and we'll now announce it later on.
Question for Philip: when I'm doing this, and I have uninstalled an app or clean the photos or whatever, like you did, are they just going to the trash can, or are they gone?
They're gone.
They're gone. And no way to get them back.
Well, yeah, we warn users if we are going to delete something completely. So every single step when you can lose your data, we will warn you about that.
Yeah, I mean, what you're doing here, you should know that going in, but if you hit something accidentally, it's nice that you have that extra little reminder.
Yeah, but we warn you, there is a pop-up windows showing this. And we're also trying to make our application as simple as possible and as open to the user. So once we ran the full scan, we had that like little tutorials which explain what the hell is going on there, that what files will be deleted, how it will affect your Mac performance, etc., etc., etc. So we're trying to explain to the user what will happen to his Mac afterwards.
What kind of pricing on this when it goes live?
It will cost $29.95 for the lifetime license. We also have 6-pack license, family packs, 2-packs license, and all pricing actually available on our website right now as well.
Okay. And the website is?
MacPaw.com.
Great. Philip, thanks for the time.
Yeah, pleasure talking to you.
Good to see you.
Have a great day. Bye.
Folks, we'll have more from Macworld iWorld 2013. I'm Chuck Joyner. This is Mac Voices. MacVoicesTV is part of the MacVoices Group at MacVoicesGroup.com. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at BackbeatMedia.com.